is so cheesy. Does that not look like it's gonna make a great grilled cheese, guys? Come on. The best. The world's best grilled cheese, guys. Look how amazing that's gonna look. Oh man. Yeah. Oh gosh. Yes. Can you give it a squeeze?
Know this about me.
What?
My only cheese I actually enjoy is mozzarella.
You don't like cheddar? So guys, we've got our bread here. That's cheesy loaf from your local supermarket. We went with the cheese bread because, well, we're making the world's best grilled cheese. But what we're gonna do first, we're gonna bring the bread over here to our cutting board. We're gonna throw that down, toss the bag away. We don't need that anymore. And we're gonna slice this guy up. That's right, guys. We're gonna slice this grilled cheese up, right nice and good. We're gonna give her a good old slice. So we're gonna cut into our bread here, guys. Look at that. Look at that cheesy goodness. So we're gonna go thick, but not too thick. They did have a sliced loaf of this bread at the store, but we decided to go thick. Look at that. You guys just look at how good that looks. Yum. Look at that cheesy loaf. Yum. Here's the secret. Alright. Get close. Get a little closer. Closer. Closer, guys. We're gonna butter both sides. That's the trick. That's the secret to the world's best grilled cheese. We're gonna butter both sides. We're gonna fry both sides. Follow me? Cook a side, we're gonna flip that side. Then we're gonna put that cheese on there. So we're getting the double crispiness out of our grilled cheese. That extra little bit of crunch. That's where the magic is. Grab some butter, and I'm gonna butter these bad boys up. And guys, as one of the wisest chefs I know taught me, when you're buttering a grilled cheese, you want to make sure you go right to the end. You want to get right to the edges. You want to leave no surface unbuttered.
Is that a smart ass remark?
No surface unbuttered, because you want to have a perfectly crisp grilled cheese, guys. I'm going to heat up my pan. I'm going to go for a nice medium heat.
Right to the edge, lather that butter on, guys. Be generous. We're using real butter, not margarine, because again, this is the world's best grilled cheese. We aren't taking any shortcuts. So, see that, guys? Buttered, right to the edges, all surfaces. Oh, all surfaces, right to the edge. Lather that on. We're going to flip the bread over. This is the secret, guys. This is where the magic happens. We're going to flip that bread right over. And we're going to do it again. We're going to butter both sides here, guys.
Look at that, buttered. So guys, if you don't follow the Courtice Canteen YouTube channel, you should probably do that. Or else what are you even doing with your life if you don't? It's true. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let me show you the cheese that we're using tonight. Some beautiful, oh my god, we had cheese in the fridge the whole time. We're going with a medium cheddar and a Havarti. Cheese indubitably. You guys ready to have a Havarti party? Can't stop the party. Give me that Havarti. Guys, that is what we are looking for. We're getting that nice crust on the inner side of our bread. We've just flipped it. I'm gonna do 2 slices of cheddar on each.
No.
Stucks, you're not even here. And then I'm gonna put a slice of Havarti in the middle.
Oh, did I have 2 slices of Havarti?
Excuse me?
My only cheese I actually enjoy is mozzarella.
Guys, the smell in here right now. We need a smell-o-vision because this grilled cheese is off the hook. Look at that.
Would you just look at it?
Would you just look at this?
No.
For something so simple, this is going to be absolutely delicious. Cheese between bread, seared in a pan to get that crisp. It's so good. But the simplistic goodness of it. Nom 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 nom. You just look at that, guys. Look how cheesy and delicious that looks. So good. So good. I got cheese. Do, 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 do. Wow. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Looking at that grilled cheese. Looking so crispy. Gonna be so tasty. Look at that cheesy spread. Ding, ding. Oh yeah.